Let's look at complementary angles. They are acute angles such that their sum is 90 degrees. Example, we have 30 and 60 degrees. We have 20 and 70 degrees. So we have alpha plus 90 and minus alpha. If we add this, we have 90. So these are complementary angles. Consider the right angled triangle ABC with B 90 degrees. Angle A and angle C are acute. From the definition of trigonometric ratios, we have sine A. This is the angle A. Sine A is BC all over AC. Tan A is equals to opposite. This is the opposite all over adjacent. BC all over AB. Sec A is equals to, sec A is the reciprocal of cosine. Then we shall have hypotenuse AC all over adjacent AB. Let's now look at the ratios of the angle C. Cos C is equals to, this is the angle C, this is the angle C. So cos C gives us adjacent all over hypotenuse. We have BC all over AC. Let's get cot C is equals to, cotangent is reciprocal of tan, so we shall get adjacent all over opposite. This is adjacent BC all over opposite AB. Now cosec C is equals to, cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Then we shall have hypotenuse all over opposite. Here we have hypotenuse AC all over opposite AB. So what do we see from here? We see that sine A is equals to cos C. So you say sine A is equals to cos C. Tan A is equals to cot C. Sec A is equals to cosec C. From our given triangle, angle A plus angle C gives 90. A plus C is equals to 90. So we see here that C is equals to 90 minus A. So expressing C in terms of A, we shall have sine A is equals to cos 90 minus A. Tan A is equals to cot 90 minus A. Sec A is equals to cosec 90 minus A. Without using tables nor calculators, simplify the following. Sine 20 divided by cos 70. We find that sine and cosine are co-ratios of complementary angles. So here we shall have sine 20 all over sine 90 minus 70 will give us sine 20 all over sine 20 plus 1. So tangents and cotangents are co-ratios of complementary angles. Here we shall have tan 50 divided by tan 90 minus 40. Here you shall have tan 50 divided by tan 50 equals to 1. Seconds and coseconds are co-ratios of complementary angles. So here I shall have sec 30 all over sec 90 minus 60. So this will give us sec 30 divided by sec 30 is equals to 1. Let's look at this one here. Sine 60, sine and cosine are co-ratios of complementary angles. Here I shall have sine 60 minus sine 90 minus 30 all over x plus y. This is sine 60 minus sine 60 all over x plus y. So what is sine 60 minus 60? This is 0 all over x plus y, which gives us 0. Note, cosine, cosecant, and cotangent are formed by adding the prefix to the name sines, secant, and tangent, respectively. The ratio of any angle is equal to the co-ratio of the complementary angle. So this means that sine 70 is equals to cos 20, tan 60 is equals to cot 30,